10 beauty secrets from the past that are useful even today. If you're someone that loves to spend time on social media, I'm sure you've invested some time looking up online tricks that will allow you flaunt your beauty. Whether it's about your skin, hair, nails, or clothes, the internet can be resourceful. The only problem is that not every single source is very reliable, and more times than not, you may find yourself doubting whether what you read will actually work. Well, we're here to make those doubts disappear. If you're doubtful about current-day beauty tips, why don't you try going old school and taking advice from the beauty tips that have been existing for a while now? Here are 10 ancient beauty tips that are truly timeless in their effectiveness. What's even better? They're natural, so you don't have to worry about exposing your body to any toxins and chemicals that are embedded in most products today. 1. Sugaring. Sugaring is an ancient method of hair removal that has existed for thousands of years. This technique is very similar to waxing, allow you to pull your hair from the roots so that it doesn't grow back all spiky and uncomfortable. All you need to do is make a simple paste out of sugar, lemon, and hot water, and voila! You have a paste that will remove your hair, not your skin, and all at a much less painful cost. 2. Mung beans. I think it's fair to say that all of us have been a victim to a pimple at one point of our lives, at least. Back in the day in China, women would solve this problem with mung beans. Full of proteins and vitamins, these beans make a great face mask. 3. Rose water. Here's one of the most traditional methods of maintaining good skin. Research has shown that people have been using rose water as early as 3500 BC. Today, the special water is used for a multitude of face masks, perfumes, and other beauty products. 4. Saffron oil. Cleopatra used this oil as an ingredient in her milk baths in order to maintain that beautiful glow. Nowadays, you can mix saffron threads with coconut oil as a part of your nighttime routine to ensure your skin remains youthful, healthy, and glowing. 5. Mint. Believe it or not, mint is not just for eating and flavoring foods. Back in the day, women would grind mint and rub it on their faces to ensure healthy skin. Today, mint is used with cucumber and honey to maintain good skin. 6. Honey. It's not just tasty for the mouth, but apparently for the skin too. Cleopatra allegedly used the thick liquid for her skin as well as hair. Today, honey is used to make face masks. Some honey, some cream, and your skin will be moisturized in no time. 7. Sea salt scrubs. These are especially popular today, but they have always been a useful method of maintaining tight, firm skin. Just mix 2 tablespoons of the sea salt with cream and massage it over your warm skin. Expect great results. 8. Coconut oil. It's not only used for cooking, you know. Coconut oil has been an amazing moisturizer for skin and hair for centuries now. It leaves both your skin and hair feeling smooth, soft, and very shiny. 9. Jade rollers. This one's a bit strange, but it's still popular. Chinese women have used these babies for a while, letting the tool improve circulation and remove toxins from the skin. Today, they are still used to tone, tighten pores, and reduce wrinkles. 10. Cabbage leaves. This beauty product has actually been a natural means of relieving the pain that comes from nursing. Just 20 minutes of letting these leaves cup your chest, and you'll already feel a profound effect. The method remains popular to this very day.